In this video, we are going to talk about the new Series 6 front-loader full-size washing machine. Bosch washing machines are designed to ease your laundry routine, offering effortless convenience and exceptional performance. Introducing the new Bosch Series 6 front-loader full-size washing machine. With its spacious 10 kilograms capacity, you can save both time and energy while washing more in a single load. Enjoy up to 65% faster wash times, conserving resources without compromising on results. This handy feature is compatible with most programs, load sizes, and fabric types. The anti-stain option makes getting rid of stains a breeze. Effortlessly remove even the toughest stains like cosmetics, blood, oil, and tea with a washing machine that automatically adjusts temperature, drum movement, and soaking time for optimal results every time. The EcoSilence Drive motor delivers ultra-quiet operation with its brushless, energy-efficient motor reducing friction, all while keeping your home peaceful. Tough on germs yet gentle on sensitive skin, the AllergyPlus program ensures a hygienic wash by maintaining a consistent temperature throughout. This effectively targets germs and common allergens like dust mites, while thoroughly rinsing fabrics to minimize detergent residues. Through its advanced water management technology, each load is automatically detected and water usage is precisely adjusted for optimal efficiency. Save up to 50% of water on smaller loads. Protect your favorite clothes with the unique VarioDrum system, which gently and efficiently washes your delicate garments. Its droplet-shaped design and asymmetrical paddles rotate laundry to the center, providing an intensive clean for heavily soiled clothes and a quicker, more thorough wash for the entire load. With our sleek, large LED display that blends modern design with user-friendly functionality, laundry is made simple with just a tap. Missed out on a soccer t-shirt? Fret not, as the reload function allows you to conveniently add or remove items during wash cycles. Simply press the reload button, add in your items, and resume the wash. Maintaining the machine's drum is effortless with the automated drum cleaning program that reminds you to clean the drum after every 20 operations of under 40 degrees Celsius. Achieve remarkable, efficient cleaning results with the Bosch Series 6 front-loader full-size washing machine. You'll never go a day without crisp and fresh laundry.